Welcome, my friend. Today, you are not just learning English words and sentences. You are stepping into a real-life journey filled with struggle, hope, fear, and courage. This story is designed to help you improve your English naturally, but more importantly, it is meant to touch your heart. It is about a man who started with nothing but belief. As you listen and read, imagine each moment clearly, feel the emotions, and let the story guide you forward. This is not a fast success story. It is a slow and painful journey, full of rejection and doubt. Many people quit halfway when life becomes hard. Very few continue when there is no guarantee of success. Jim Carrey's life teaches us that persistence, belief, and inner strength can slowly change everything. Stay with this story until the end, because the lessons hidden inside it are powerful and timeless. Jim Carrey was born in a small town in Ontario, Canada. His family was kind and loving, but money was always a problem. His parents worked hard, yet they struggled to provide a comfortable life. From an early age, Jim noticed the stress and worry around him. He saw how financial problems could affect happiness. These early experiences shaped the way he looked at life. Jim's father, Percy Carey, had a deep love for comedy and entertainment. He dreamed of becoming a comedian, but fear stopped him. Instead of following his passion, he chose a safe job to support his family. Later, when that job was lost, Percy felt deep regret. Jim watched his father's pain closely. He learned a powerful lesson. Fear can be more dangerous than failure. As Jim grew older, life became even more difficult. His father lost his job and the family faced serious financial trouble. They could not afford rent anymore and were forced to live in a van for some time. Imagine being a teenager with big dreams, but no stable home. Jim felt embarrassed and confused, but he also became emotionally strong during this period. To survive, the entire family worked as janitors at night. Jim cleaned schools, floors, and toilets, while other teenagers slept peacefully at home. His body was exhausted, and his hands were rough from hard work. However, those long nights taught him discipline, responsibility, and humility. He understood the value of effort and sacrifice. During the day, Jim went to school. At night, he worked. His life had very little comfort. But even in this difficult routine, Jim found something special: humor. He loved making people laugh. At school, he used funny faces, voices, and movements to entertain classmates and teachers. Laughter became his escape from pain. Comedy gave Jim confidence. When people laughed, he felt seen and valued. Slowly, he realized that making people laugh was not just fun. It was his natural talent. This talent gave him hope during dark times. While his life outside was difficult, his inner world was full of creativity. Jim decided to try stand-up comedy as a teenager. His first performance was a disaster. The audience did not laugh. Silence filled the room, and rejection hit him hard. Many people would have quit after such an experience, but Jim did not. He felt hurt, but he returned to the stage again and again. Each performance taught him something new. He learned timing, expression, and confidence. He studied people's reactions carefully. Slowly, his performances improved. Failure became his teacher instead of his enemy. This mindset helped him grow stronger with every attempt. Jim's father supported him deeply. He believed in Jim's talent and encouraged him to continue. This support gave Jim emotional strength. Together, they dreamed of a future where Jim's talent could change their lives. Eventually, Jim made a brave decision to move to Los Angeles. Los Angeles was the center of entertainment, but it was also full of competition. Thousands of talented people chased the same dream. Jim arrived with little money, no connections, and no guarantee. Life there was harsh. Auditions ended in rejection. Casting directors ignored him. Days turned into months with no success. Despite rejection, Jim refused to stop working. He practiced daily. He improved his body language, facial expressions, and emotional range. While others waited for opportunities, Jim created his own growth. He believed preparation would meet opportunity one day. During this time, Jim developed a powerful habit: visualization. Every night, he imagined himself as a successful actor. He pictured movie sets, applause, and financial freedom. One day, he wrote himself a check for $10 million for acting services rendered, dated 10 years into the future. He carried it with him as a symbol of belief. Years passed slowly. Jim faced loneliness, anxiety, and self-doubt. Some days, he questioned whether the dream was worth the pain. But he remembered his father's regret and promised himself not to live with the same fear. This promise kept him moving forward. Jim continued performing in small comedy clubs. His style was unique, physical, expressive, and fearless. He exaggerated movements and emotions in ways others did not dare to try. At first, some people did not understand him. But slowly, audiences began to notice his originality. A major turning point came when Jim joined the television show In Living Color. This opportunity allowed him to show his true talent to a wide audience. His performances were bold and unforgettable. Viewers laughed, producers noticed, and his career finally gained momentum. Soon after, movie offers arrived. Films like Ace Ventura, Pet Detective changed everything. Jim's energy and expressions made audiences laugh uncontrollably. Success followed quickly. Movies like The Mask and Dumb and Dumber turned him into a global star. The imaginary check became real. Jim Carrey achieved fame, money, and recognition. But success did not remove all his problems. Fame brought pressure. Expectations became heavy. He realized that happiness did not automatically come with success. This realization surprised him deeply. Jim began questioning life, identity, and meaning. He explored philosophy, spirituality, and self-awareness. He understood that external success without inner peace could feel empty. This stage of life changed him as a person, not just as an actor. He learned that failure, struggle, and pain had shaped him more than success ever could. Every rejection had prepared him for growth. Every difficult night had built his character. Jim started sharing his thoughts to inspire others. Today, Jim Carrey is known not only as a comedian, but also as a thinker and artist. His journey teaches us that success is not about luck. It is about persistence, belief, and courage. It is about continuing even when the road feels impossible. So, my friend, as you learn English through this story, remember its deeper message. Your background does not limit you. Your failures do not define you. Speak English daily, even if you make mistakes. Practice without fear. Believe in your journey. Like Jim Carrey, keep moving forward, one step at a time, one word at a time. Your story is still being written, and the best part may be waiting just ahead.